Next, identify the front and back sides of the fabric. This side with circular patterns is the front side. This side is uneven, with small horizontal lines and segments. And it has a yarn tail from the magic ring. This is the back side of the fabric. Please always keep the front side facing yourself. The fourth round starts with 1 chain stitch, followed by 3 single crochet and 1 increase stitch as one sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Then, finish with 1 slip stitch. One chain stitch. The first sequence. 3 single crochet. The first single crochet. Attach the stitch marker. The second. The third. Three single crochet are done. Then crochet 1 increase stitch. Three single crochet and 1 increase make up a sequence. The first sequence is done. From the side, 1 sequence forms 5 stitches. Complete the remaining 5 sequences using the same method. Second sequence. First work 3 single crochet. The first. The second. The third. One increase stitch. Third sequence. First work 3 single crochet. The first one. The second. The third one. One increase stitch. Three sequences are done. For the remaining 3 sequences, use the same crochet methods as the first 3 sequences. You can crochet the rest part on your own. 6 sequences are done. This round has formed 30 stitches. You can count the stitches yourself. After confirming the stitch count is correct, crochet 1 slip stitch. The fourth round of crocheting is completed. Rounds 5 and 6 are the same. Start with 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 30 single crochet without any increase or decrease. Finish with 1 slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. Crochet 30 single crochet without any increase or decrease. This means that in each stitch, you crochet exactly 1 single crochet. The first single crochet. Attach the stitch marker. The second. The third. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. The seventh. The eighth. The ninth stitch. The 10th stitch. The 11th stitch. The 12th stitch. The 13th stitch. The 14th stitch. The 15th. The 16th. The 17th. The 18th. The 19th. The 20th. Stitch 21. Stitch 22. Stitch 23. Stitch 24. Stitch 25. Stitch 26. Stitch 27. Stitch 28. Stitch 29. The 30th. "30 single crochet are completed. Then remove the stitch marker. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 5 is completed. The stitches for round 6 are the same as round 5. Please crochet it on your own. This is how it looks after completing round 6. Round 7 starts with 1 chain stitch. Then to single crochet, 1 increase stitch into single crochet. This forms 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence 6 times. Finish with 1 slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. The first sequence. Crochet to single crochet first. The first stitch. The second. One increase stitch. Then crochet to single crochet. The second. Here, to single crochet, 1 increased stitch into single crochet, make 1 sequence. 1 sequence is done. Use the same method to complete the remaining 5 sequences. In the second sequence, first crochet to single crochet. The first. The second. One increased stitch. Then crochet to more single crochet. The second. In the third sequence, first crochet to single crochet. One increased stitch. Then crochet to more single crochet. Three sequences are completed. For the remaining 3 sequences, you can crochet them on your own. 6 sequences are completed. Finish with a slip stitch. The 7th round is completed. From the 8th to the 12th round, each round begins with 1 chain stitch, followed by 36 single crochet without increases or decreases, and ends with a slip stitch. I will demonstrate the crochet method for the 8th round. 1 chain stitch. Then crochet 36 single crochet without increases or decreases. The first stitch. Attach the stitch marker. The second. The third. The fourth. The fifth. A sixth. Everyone, just continue crocheting single crochet stitches in the same way. Please complete the remaining 30 single crochet on your own. 36 single crochet without increases or decreases are done. Remove the stitch marker. Then crochet a slip stitch. Round 8 is completed. Rounds 9 to 12 are the same as round 8. You can crochet these rounds on your own. This is how it looks after finishing round 12. Round 13 begins with 1 chain stitch, followed by 1 decreased stitch into single crochet as 1 sequence. Repeat this sequence 9 times. And finish with a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. The first sequence, work a decreased stitch first. A decreased stitch means combining 2 stitches into one. To crochet a decreased stitch, you need to work into the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Let's take a look at what the front loop is. Each stitch has a V shape. This V shape is formed by 2 strands of yarn. The strand closer to us is the front loop. The strand farther from us is the back loop. The first stitch can be a bit tricky to pick. You can use a sewing needle to gently enlarge it first. Now, let's look at the specific crocheting method. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of the first stitch. Then insert the hook through the front loop of the next adjacent stitch. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 front loops on hook. 2 loops remain on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. This completes 1 decrease stitch. Attach the stitch marker. Next, work to single crochet. The first one. The second. Here, 1 decrease stitch into single crochet make up 1 sequence. The first sequence is done. On the side, 3 V shapes are formed. Complete the remaining 8 sequences in the same way. The second sequence, first work 1 decrease stitch. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of the next stitch. Then insert the hook through the front loop of the next adjacent stitch. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 front loops on hook. 2 loops remain on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. A decrease stitch is completed. Then, make 2 single crochet. The first one. The second. Make 1 decrease stitch for the third sequence. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of the next stitch, then through the front loop of the next stitch. There are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 front loops on hook. 2 loops remain on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on hook. Next, work to single crochet. The first one. The second. Make 1 decrease stitch for the fourth sequence. Then crochet to single crochet. The first stitch. The second. Make 1 decrease stitch for the fifth sequence. Then make to single crochet, the first one. The second. Make 1 decrease stitch for the sixth sequence. Then make to single crochet, the first one. The second. Make 1 decrease stitch for the seventh sequence. Then make to single crochet, the first one. a second. Make 1 decrease stitch for the 8th sequence. Then make the single crochet. The first one, the second. Make 1 decrease stitch for the 9th sequence. Now we will explain the method of creating single crocheted decreases. There are 2 types of single crocheted decreases. One is the invisible decrease. The other is the regular decrease. A single crochet decrease combines 2 stitches into one. This one is the invisible decrease. This one is the regular decrease. The V shape formed by the invisible decrease is vertical. It looks very similar to a single crochet. The V shape formed by the regular decrease is slanted. It is quite different from a regular single crochet. Because the invisible decrease and the regular single crochet look very similar, it is called the invisible decrease. We often use the invisible decrease when crocheting spherical fabrics. Here, we will first demonstrate the creation of an invisible decrease. The invisible decrease is made by inserting the crochet hook into the front loop of these 2 stitches. Insert the crochet hook through the front loop of these 2 stitches. Insert hook through one front loop. Then insert hook through another front loop. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Place the crochet hook below the working yarn. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Hook the working yarn with the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops on the crochet hook. Rotate the crochet hook. A new loop is formed on the crochet hook. There are 2 loops remaining on the crochet hook. Place the crochet hook in front of the working yarn. The hook head is facing towards you. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Yarn over the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through the 2 loops on the crochet hook. This completes an invisible decrease. On the back of the invisible decrease, you can see the loops. They are the unworked back loops. We need to pay attention to the insertion point of the next stitch. This loop is the front loop used for creating a single crocheted decrease. The insertion point should be this V shape. Next, we will demonstrate the method for creating a regular decrease. Insert the crochet hook into the next stitch. There are now 3 loops on the crochet hook. Place the crochet hook below the working yarn. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. This forms a new loop on the crochet hook. There are now 2 loops on the crochet hook. Insert the crochet hook into the next V shape. There are now 4 loops on the crochet hook. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Press down on the working yarn. Pull the yarn through the first 2 loops. A new loop is formed. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. Place the crochet hook in front of the working yarn. Wrap the crochet hook around to the back of the working yarn. Yarn over the crochet hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the crochet hook at once. This completes a regular decrease. A regular decrease is made into complete stitches. So the back is flat. Everyone can choose either the regular decrease or the invisible decrease according to the method that suits them best. Then make 2 single crochet. The first one. The second. Nine sequences are completed. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 13 is completed. Round 14 starts with 1 chain stitch, followed by 1 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch as a sequence. Repeat this sequence 9 times. Finish with 1 slip stitch, 1 chain stitch. A first sequence. 1 single crochet. Attach the stitch marker. One decrease stitch. One single crochet and 1 decrease from a sequence. The first sequence is done. Complete the remaining 8 sequences in the same way. The second sequence, first work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease stitch. The third sequence, first work 1 single crochet, 1 decrease stitch. Three sequences are completed, but the remaining 6 sequences. Use the same crochet method as the first 3 sequences. Please continue crocheting them yourself. All 9 sequences are now completed. Remove the stitch marker. Crochet 1 slip stitch. Round 14 is completed. Next, break the yarn. Use the crochet hook to wrap the yarn on, pull out. Next, attach the eyes to the head. The eyes are placed between rounds 8 and 9 of the head. First, locate rounds 8 and 9. The very center here is the first round. Second round. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. Sixth round. Seventh round. Eighth round. Ninth round. The holes between these 2 rounds. Attach 1 eye. Then, at an interval of 5 stitches, attach the other eye. Let's take a look at how to count stitches from the front. Each stitch forms a V shape when viewed from the front. This is the first stitch. Second stitch. Third stitch. Fourth stitch. Fifth stitch. At the base of the fifth stitch, attach the other eye. After installing the eyes, fasten the safety back pieces on the back. The cat's head is now completed.